I'm building a Minecraft-style RTS game in Unreal Engine, and it's way more complicated than I thought. So here's what I've made so far. But first, let's talk what the core game idea is in itself. The idea of the game is exactly what I've been calling it, Minecraft plus RTS. There's a really good mod on Minecraft that symbolizes the idea of the standalone game I want to make. The name of that mod is Reign of the Nether RTS. It's great, but I want to make it better. I want to incorporate even more ideas and pull cool features from other games like Shapes 2 with factories, Manor Lords with how jobs function with families and citizens of your empire, and very importantly, how Reign of the Nether accomplishes terrain editing tasks. It's simply the best I've ever seen. Now that you hopefully have a good idea of the game, let's talk my motivations. I have been trying to make this game for years. Every time I get stuck on a system that I just can't get around, but every time I keep trying. I figured with the help of an audience, this might work out much better. I want to make a game with the community. So what do I have so far? Well, it's not much, but it's something. I have a static voxel terrain with biome support using the fast noise light library. This just takes fast noise light algorithms and layers them on top of each other, similar to how Minecraft works. I can define biomes via a primary data asset class. So far I've made just a few, but I plan on adding more based off what you guys think. Also, I have some very basic NPC logic. I made a short form video on my last NPC pathfinding logic, and some people said A star was just better. So I switched my logic from BFS to A star, and I chucked it into a background thread so my FPS doesn't tank every time I want a few NPCs finding out where they are going. I've had to go through a few hurdles to get to this point. The main hurdle is just trying to optimize voxels. It's surprisingly difficult. Just the simple goal of trying to only compute the voxels that are being seen can be a huge task. Not to mention trying to keep all the classes manageable. I have refactored my voxel terrain system maybe 4 or 5 times in just this project alone. But the current state of the voxel terrain is at the least playable. And with the future goal of chucking it into a background thread, it just might work for the game. My next focus is working on the NPC jobs system. I've already started working on it, but there's a lot more work to do. By the time the job system is at least kind of finished, I should be able to get NPCs to go flatten or build some terrain based on the player's command. This is a super big feature, and I consider it to be a part of the main game loop. Another thing I want to improve is enabling my NPCs to work when I'm trying to speed up the game tick. Currently the pathfinding breaks the NPCs and they get stuck when they need to jump up blocks, and sometimes they even get stuck when they need to drop down blocks too. I also need to figure out the solution for inventory in my game. I don't know if I want the inventories to work like the game Going Medieval or Manor Lords, or maybe even another game I haven't looked at yet. It's easier for me to build a system by looking at other games' features and what players like. While I have some time to decide on this, I think I want to have the community pick. It's something I'm super stuck on. Me personally, I think that all of these new features will make the game feel a whole lot better. With that being said, I'm also taking feedback from you guys. Anything you guys see that can be improved, let me know in the comments. I want you guys to be a part of making this game. This is actually how Minecraft was made, getting feedback and making more and more features that people wanted. So don't be shy and tell me what features you guys want in the comments, and of course I will start adding features that make sense to the game. If you want to see this game grow, hit subscribe and check out the shorts I've posted. I try to upload quick updates almost daily. Next devlog will have job systems, destructible terrain, and hopefully working time skip logic. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.